Hi there. Welcome to Orbital Adventures, where we break down science's biggest mysteries in quick 2-minute stories. Imagine a beautiful forest, tall trees, fresh air, birds singing. This is Earth, our only home. But today, our home faces some big challenges: climate change, pollution, and loss of natural spaces. While these problems may seem huge, there are simple ways each of us can make a difference. First, let's talk about plastic. Plastic bags, bottles, and wrappers are everywhere, but they don't break down easily. In fact, a plastic bottle can take up to 450 years to decompose. Instead, try reusable items like a cloth bag or metal water bottle. Think of it like this: one reusable bottle could save hundreds of plastic ones from ending up in oceans or landfills. Next, let's look at our homes. Energy use is a big part of our environmental footprint. By turning off lights when we don't need them and switching to energy-saving bulbs, we can cut down on greenhouse gases, gases that trap heat in the atmosphere and lead to global warming. And did you know? Lowering your thermostat by just 1 degree in winter can reduce your home's carbon emissions by up to 10%. Small changes, big results. Food choices also matter. Consider this: producing meat requires more land, water, and energy than plants do. So trying a meatless Monday or adding more veggies to your diet can help save resources. It's like giving the planet a little breather. Finally, think about how you get around. Cars release a lot of carbon dioxide, which warms the Earth. By walking, biking, or carpooling whenever possible, you help reduce air pollution and fight climate change. Plus, walking or biking is great for your health. So remember, these small actions, using less plastic, saving energy, eating sustainably, and choosing eco-friendly transport, really do add up. Imagine if everyone made just one of these changes. Together we can protect our beautiful forests, oceans, and skies, creating a healthier planet for ourselves and future generations. Let's be part of the solution, one simple step at a time. If this video made you think, hit subscribe for more amazing science content. At Orbital Adventures, we're also creating fun kids' books that inspire learning geography through storytelling. Scan the QR code now to explore and get your copy.